Hello friends, I hope everyone is good. In this video, I have solved another problem of projection of line. If you have already watched my previous video, then you can easily solve this one. Let's start this problem. The distance between end projector of a straight line PQ is 60 mm. So end projector of distance between end projector is given. Point P is 5 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Position of P is given, which is in first quadrant. Point Q is 40 mm above HP and 50 mm behind VP. That means point Q is in the second quadrant. Draw the projection, find true length of the line PQ and its inclination with HP and VP. So let's list out the data. Position of P is given, position of Q is given, and we have to find the true length and true inclination with both the reference plane. If you know how to solve this problem, kindly pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Whenever you're ready, you can continue with this video. Let's start the problem. First of all, take the reference plane XY. Let's say this is my reference plane XY. Now position of point P is in the first quadrant. That means 5 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So first of all, draw the end projector at a distance of 60 mm. Draw an end projector at a distance of 60 mm. So this is my end projector. What is the meaning of end projector? That means my end of both the view of the lines will lie on this two vertical line. Now let's say first of all locate the point P. Point P is 5 mm above HP. So for a front view, this is my XY line is my HP. So 5 mm above HP. So this is, let's say, point P dash, and 30 mm in front of VP. So let's say this is point P. Now position of P is located. Now similar way locate the point Q. Now point Q is 40 mm above HP and 50 mm behind VP. Now 40 mm above HP. So for a front view, XY line is HP. From reference line XY at 40 mm, locate the point Q. Locate the point Q dash. So this is my Q dash. Now for a top view, this XY line is represented as a VP. So for a top view, point Q is 50 mm behind VP. So for a top view, XY line is VP. So this portion is in front of VP and this portion is behind VP. For a top view, this portion is in front of VP and this portion is behind VP. So position of Q is behind VP from reference line XY. So let's say at 50 mm, point Q will be at 50 mm from this reference line XY. Now you have both the end point of line P dash and Q dash. Join the P dash Q dash. So this is nothing but front view. Similar way, join PQ. This is nothing but top view. And intersection point of these two will give you locus of Q dash and locus of Q. Locus of Q. Now we know that basic concept of projection of line is length of front view will give you true length in top view, or length of top view will give you true length in front view. So let's say first of all, let's find out the length of front view. So P dash Q dash as a radius and P dash as a center. Make an arc over here. So this is nothing but length of front view. Now length of front view will give you true length in top view. So this is the locus of Q. Now draw vertical line over here which will cut the locus of Q at Q1. Locus of Q at Q1. So this is nothing but true length in top view. Join PQ1. So this is nothing but true length in top view. Now you have true length in top view. You have true length. So So PQ1 as a radius and P dash as a center make an arc on locus of Q dash. Make an arc on locus of Q dash, and this point is Q1 dash. So this is nothing but true length in front view. True length in front view. Now objective is to find the true inclination with both the reference plane. So true length, which is making an angle of theta with respect to HP, and here true length which is making an angle of phi with respect to VP. So you can measure the theta and phi with the help of protector and compass. So I hope you have solved this example. If you already solved the example, kindly comment the solution. Thank you.